The star is in place now. If it looks crooked this way, that's on purpose. These lifting levers, as they rotate up, move the mount point over, so it should be aligned correctly when it's lifted. The rubbing sound that you can hear is from the torque tube levers. When it's expanding and lifting, it goes like that, but in the opposite direction, it's sliding here and maybe trying to dig in a little bit. I tested it originally with rollers and then went to very simplified pieces, but I think this added friction is justifying adding those rollers back in. It also has tongue and groove elements now to help the panels align. And I adjusted some things with the skirt to get this height to match up correctly. I know why you're really here though. Let's see it in action. This table is definitely still a prototype. We've got multicolored panels, the gap that goes around the skirt, the alignment's not perfect, temporary legs underneath. There's a lot of things that obviously could be cleaned up in a fresh build where you're really going for appearance. But I think we accomplished the goal of the prototype here, which is to prove out the mechanism and shake out those additional little bugs, things that need a little bit of extra space here and there, or maybe a thicker screw to make it stiffer, etc. So I have a list of those things, and I'll be using them to update the design before I write the plans and maybe do a future build where I'm going for the functionality as well as making it look really nice. Hopefully that build will be dramatically more time efficient. One that I've already started experimenting with a little bit are the legs. The legs are important more than I previously appreciated because it's about half of what you see when you look at the table. And for someone also who's not quite as tall as me, you see even more of those legs. So one concept that I really liked was having sort of converging, diverging curves. And this is one that I prototyped. There are tie rods going across here. And you can also add another rib. I've done some testing on this. So there would be one like this and then one like this, all in a single piece, obviously. And I think that would look really cool as the legs. So this is a concept for the future. And I hope you come back and follow the journey. Thank you for watching.